Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, today on the Dyna, I want to change the front brake hose. As I said in a previous video, when I rebuilt the front caliper and relined the brakes front and rear, that brake hose, I can't connect it because it's buggered. At the top, we've got a little crack in the coating, which has started to corrode the copper pipe underneath. And at the bottom, where they've had to bend and manipulate that brake pipe when they fitted the shorter bars, they've actually got this lovely little S-bend with a double kink in the rubber pipe. So that won't do, will it? We've got to get rid of that. So let's chuck that one out. I've had a custom hose made by Wimoto. Wimoto are agents for Hell Performance. They'll make you up a brake pipe to your specification. Just contact them. They will give you all the questions and all the data they need. Just answer the questions. And they need the angle of the banjos, the exact size and pitch of the banjo bolts, all of that stuff. Once you tell them that, they'll make the pipe and send it to you the next day. That's a brilliant service. And that costs £30. Exactly the same money as a spec hose off the shelf. They don't charge any more for custom making your hose. And once that's fitted, I can juice it up. It's exactly the right length. It will be completely safe. Fresh DOT5 fluid. I can put fresh DOT5 fluid in the rear hose as well. So the system with its new brake linings and rebuilt caliper is then good to go. I can sign them off as done. Let's get busy. Right, I want to just show you something. We all know you don't mix DOT4 and DOT5 fluid together, and we all know that if you do, you can have problems. But what actually happens? Well, I've got some old DOT4 and some old DOT5 now. I've changed that, and I've got a clean jar. So let's deliberately mix it together, and I'll show you exactly what happens. So as you can see, it absolutely does not mix. It just completely separates out in about 2 to 3 minutes. And then when you shake it back up again, it forms these little blobs, little sticky globules in there. And in about a week, that will turn into a gel and bung up the system completely. So never confuse DOT4 and DOT5. Always read what's on the cap. Okay, I know I do a lot of brake videos and I appreciate your patience, but I believe there's no more important subject than that when you project motorcycle maintenance videos to the internet. Brakes are as important as it gets. It's far more important to be able to stop than it is to be able to go. And like the board says today, maintenance costs, but poor maintenance costs even more. And with poor maintenance to your brakes, that cost could be your life. So don't take chances. I'll leave you with that thought. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.